What even is this? It's an EAS.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
What?
Northeastern Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois until 11:45 a.m. At 11:03 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Nora, or 15 miles northwest of Freeport, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Lena, Starkton, Warren, Pearl City, Cedarville, Davis, Dakota, German Valley.
Did not expect this on 105.5 FM. That's weird.
Rock Grove, Onico, Orangetto, Kent, Valory, and Damascus. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
SVR to Calvin Ogle.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Ogle County in north central Illinois, Central DeKalb County in north central Illinois, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Davis Junction, or 9 miles northeast of Rochelle, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Sycamore, Genoa, Cortland, Davis Junction, Hinckley, Kirkland, Maple Park, Kingston, Malta, Lindenwood, Monroe Center, and Fairdale, including the following interstates. Interstate
Did it just
39
say the
between
city
mile
I think it
markers
said?
104 and 114.
It just said Fairdale.
Interstate 88 between mile markers 87 and 101.
I hear that city and I
This
think of that
includes
tornado.
Northern Illinois University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That's fun.